So guys, welcome back. One Key Car Garage here. Today we're going to be tackling the air compressor. Remember I said in the last video that it was running a little weak, so or a bit weak for that matter. So we're going to tackle that. Begin by taking the wheel off, the fenders. There's a lot of tutorials online about this if you guys want some more in depth, but right now I'm fighting sunlight. These parts came in late this afternoon, so we're going to try to tackle this, get it out of the way, and I'll show as much as I can. Alright, thanks for watching. And guys, while we were there, we went ahead, swapped out the that's the original filter for the air compressor. Alright, went ahead and replaced that. Alright, since you're already there, stay tuned. So guys, we got her out. She's free. A few snags along the way. These bolts actually broke off. They were the original ones that was on there, and I'm just going to source new ones. I think I might have some on hand to replace those, so just a matter of plug and play, wash, rinse, repeat. Alright guys, needed a 8mm for some of the fender bolts, and 10mm, you get the lines off, etc. Like I said, there are numerous tutorials online for this, and in the interest of time, running against the clock, fighting sunlight. Alright guys, put it on and let you know. And guys, the replacement part is a Airmatic part. I believe that's the original Mercedes OE part. Sources from SCP Euro. Cost us about 270 bucks, and that's how she comes. And this actually corrects some of the fault that the older one had, as far as with that air right there, that the source of some of the leaks. And guys, stand by. So guys, we had to improvise because the mounting bolts, as you remember, broke. All right, so we can't use that again. The mount is basically ruined. I'm gonna have to get a new one, but in the meantime, we improvised with some zip ties, some wires. It looks pretty janky, but you know, give it enough slack, so it should function, guys. But this is only temporary. I'm going to have to get another mount. The bolts were quite rusted, so we had to improvise because they all broke. Again, I went ahead and I did the put in a new filter. All right, I didn't touch this. It seemed to be intact, seemed to be fine. So get back with you on the other side. First test, guys. We're all buttoned up. Wow. Back is up. Yes, guys. Look like we're sorted for now.
Vaccinating kids age 5 to 11 at its Town Center site Friday and Saturday.
No faults. She's looking good, guys. Looking good. So we had to improvise as far as the mounts being broken, but you know, worked out in the end. We're gonna have to order a new mount for the air suspension pump, and then we should be all sorted. But wow, it rose up just like that, guys. So the old pump was essentially weak, and it was working, but it wasn't pumping as per OE specs. So it was the original pump, so it's had over 200,000 miles on it. So you know, it did its time, and we got the new one in. Again, that's through FCP Euro, and I did not go into a lot of details. Like I mentioned, there are a lot of tutorials online, and the kit from FCP Euro actually comes with very detailed instruction for your vehicle. So it's pretty much a plug and play. Just follow the instructions and you should be good. Again, guys, that's another successful. And I did not change the I've not changed the original or front struts yet. We're still working on the epoxy fix. However, I do have the front suspension, air suspension for that. We did change the rear. We also did the rear brakes. So we're good to go. All right, guys, we're gonna take her out and test drive, and we'll be back with you. Little cleanup here. Again, thank you again for watching. Again, this is One Key Car Garage out. And just like that, guys, the replacement bracket is here. So we're gonna go ahead, take that back off, and replace that bracket with this one. All right, see you soon. So guys, old one out, new one about to go in. Right there. There she is. Stand by. And just like that, guys, she is back in proper. Awesome. Nobody can replace